Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Alex here. Today we're diving deep into a video that so many of you have been requesting for months. A full, honest, no BS, up-to-date comparison between LeadPages versus ClickFunnels in 2026. I want to start by being completely transparent with you. I've been using LeadPages since 2013. That's over 13 years at this point of real world hands-on day in and day out experience with the platform. I built hundreds of campaigns, tested thousands of landing pages, generated a lot of revenue for myself and for my clients, and gone through every update they released. I also used ClickFunnels extensively, especially heavily from 2017 through 2022, I would say, when I was running bigger high-ticket coaching programs and webinar funnels. So this is in some quick review from someone who just signed up last week. This is coming from someone who has actively lived with both tools for well over a decade. So stick with me all the way to the end because I prepared some very special exclusive bonuses that I never publicly given away before. I'm talking about very cool stuff actually, but we'll get to that in a second. First, let's do a real thorough deep dive into this comparison so you can make the best educated decision for your business in 2026, whether you should go with LeadPages or ClickFunnels. So let's start with the fundamentals. What are these two tools actually designed to do? LeadPages has always been known as one of the fastest and easiest landing page builders on the market. It was built from the ground up to help marketers, coaches, affiliate marketers, and small business owners create beautiful, high-converting landing pages in record time. Whether you're trying to collect email leads, sell a digital product, promote an affiliate offer, or maybe you're a performance marketer like myself, or you simply want to drive traffic to a webinar, LeadPages makes the process simple, fast, and effective. ClickFunnels, on the other hand, built the entire reputation as a go-to platform for complex sales funnels. It became famous for webinar funnels, order bombs, one-click upsells, downsells, membership sites, and high-ticket backend offers. ClickFunnels is the tool that many big funnel hackers and high-ticket closers swear by. Both tools can technically build landing pages and basic funnels, but they have very different philosophies and strength. So that's why in 2026, the big question that everyone is asking is, which one should you actually be using for your business right now? Which one will give you the best results while saving you time and money? Now, let me share a bit more about my personal journey with both platforms so you can understand exactly where I'm coming from. Back in 2013, when I first discovered LeadPages, it was a game changer for me. It was fast, easy to use, and still is. But before that, building a decent looking landing page was painful. You either had to hire a designer, learn complicated HTML, or use very clunky tools. LeadPages made it possible for regular marketers like myself to create a professional, high converting pages in minutes instead of days. I'll quickly show you my dashboard as well so you can see it for yourself, that I'm actually walking the walk, not just talking the talk. I have at this point thousands of landing pages. You can see I can go on for, there's like 24 pages on each page here inside of LeadPages. As a matter of fact, I can give you those templates for free if you pay attention till the end of this video. So over the following 13 years, I use LeadPages for literally hundreds of different campaigns, everything from affiliate marketing on ClickBank or Buy Goods to local business lead generation, coaching programs, e-commerce funnels, you name it. I watch the platform grow, improve, and adapt to new marketing trends. I see what works and what doesn't. You can see multiple pages. This is actually ClickFunnels page, for example. This is the lead page that generated, I don't want to brag, but it generated multiple six figures. Here's another one that generated multiple six figures as well. This is actually more compliant, but at the same time, it lets you run a lot of traffic from different platforms such as Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and so on and so forth, so you can scale your business to the moon, if you will. Now, ClickFunnels entered my world around 2017. At that time, I was scaling bigger offers and needed more advanced funnel functionality. I used it heavily for webinar funnels, high-ticket coaching, and complex sales sequences. There were definitely features I loved: the funnel mapping, the ease of setting up upsells, the overall structure, but also experienced frustrations, slower editor performance. It's very heavy loading times, occasional bugs, and a steeper learning curve. So after more than a decade with LeadPages and many years with ClickFunnels, I feel confident giving you one of the most balanced and honest comparisons possible in 2026. And someone just messaged me. So yes, my friend, both platforms offer dozens of different templates for different types of businesses, both online and offline. So you have tons of templates to choose from. But let's talk about something very important, which is the price. As of 2026, LeadPages starts at around $37 per month only on their basic plan. Their higher tier plans go up to about $297 per month, depending on the features you need. ClickFunnels starts at $97 per month for the basic plan and can go all the way up to $500 per month for their highest tier plan with all the bells and whistles. That's a waste. That's a very significant difference, especially if you're just starting out, running smaller offers, or trying to keep your monthly expenses under control. LeadPages gives you a lot more breathing room, if you will, on the budget for things like paid traffic, email marketing tools, and other important parts of your business because it's so easy to integrate with any leading autoresponder such as Aweber, GetResponse, and many other ones. Now, my friend, let's talk about something that affects you every single day. You use the tool, speed and ease of use. This is hands down where LeadPages continues to shine brightly in 2026. The editor is snappy, responsive, and just feels right. I can jump in, make changes, preview, and publish a brand new page in under 10 minutes, sometimes even less than 5 minutes. The interface is clean, intuitive, and doesn't get in your way. They have drag and drop, they just added that last year, and they also have old school interface, which is super fast. ClickFunnels has definitely improved over the years, but it still feels heavier and clunkier and slower in comparison, especially if you drive a lot of traffic. Sometimes pages take longer to load in editor, and making quick edits can become frustrating when you're trying to test multiple variations quickly. If you value speed, simplicity, and ability to move fast and test lots of ideas, LeadPages is the clear winner, in my opinion. So let me just show you real quick how fast you can actually edit the page. So for example, this is a fungus page we did for fungus offer, toenail fungus. We ran on ClickBank, and this is super simple. You can change the headline in a second, right? You can change the style of the page or any element on the page. It's simple drag and drop. You got different widgets here. You can add timers, anything you want, discount forms, image and text. Obviously, you can plug in HTML code very easily, and you can change things on the fly as you're running the campaign. This is what I love about this. You can change image, you can change anything you want on the page, additional offers. You can integrate autoresponder very easily with HTML form, or you can use integration that's built in as well under settings. So in my opinion, LeadPages wins by simplicity, by speed, and price as well. Now, design and templates are another area where I see a noticeable difference in 2026. LeadPages templates look much more modern, clean, and professional. They have adopted that minimalist, high converting aesthetic that performs really well with today's audiences. The design feels fresh and up to date. Many of ClickFunnels templates, while still functional, feel somewhat dated by comparison. Some of them haven't had major visual refreshes in quite a while. First impressions matter a lot in marketing. If you want your pages to look current and trustworthy right out of the box, LeadPages has the clear advantage here, and you have so many different templates. It's definitely wins over ClickFunnels in my opinion, as far as a variety of different templates that you can apply for any business, whether it's online or offline. So like I said, in my opinion, LeadPages definitely look more modern in 2026. Now, let's talk about funnel building capabilities. So funnel building capabilities. This is the area where ClickFunnels still hands and holds a strong advantage. If your business model relies on complex sales funnels with multiple order bumps, one-click upsells, downsells, webinar sequences, membership areas, and high-ticket backend offers, ClickFunnels is specifically built for that kind of advanced funnel architecture. LeadPages can handle basic to intermediate funnels very well, and it's faster, but it doesn't have quite the same depth and specializing for extremely complex high-ticket sales processes that ClickFunnels offers. So if your main focus is running sophisticated multi-step high-ticket funnels, ClickFunnels might still be the better tool for you. So I'll put a link below the video somewhere in the description and in the comment with the links to both options for you. You decide what's best for your business, but let's keep going. So my friend, after going through all of this and testing both platforms again in 2026, here's my honest final verdict. For the vast majority of people watching this video about LeadPages review and ClickFunnels comparison, content creators, coaches, affiliate marketers, small business owners, course creators, I still recommend LeadPages as the better choice in 2026. It's faster, more affordable, has more modern templates, and is simply more enjoyable and efficient to use on a daily basis. It allows you for more quicker tests, more ideas, and keep your costs lower. That being said, if you are specifically running big high-ticket webinar funnels and they need the most advanced funnel building features available, well, in that case, my friend, ClickFunnels can still make sense. But for 80 to 85% of marketers right now, LeadPages is the smarter, more practical, and more cost-effective solution. Now, here's the part I've been looking forward to sharing with you, because I've been using LeadPages for over 13 years and have generated multiple 6- and 7-figure campaigns by using just LeadPages. I put together an exclusive bonus package worth well over $500 that I'm only making available to people who sign up for LeadPages through my affiliate link. Here's exactly what you're getting. My complete library of proven high-converting landing page templates that I refined over many years. Done-for-you sales copy and templates for hot converting niches that I mentioned before, including weight loss, including toenail fungus, including dentist offers, dental offers, and so many other ones. So done for you sales copy and templates for all those niches, including the ones I mentioned, even prostate health, diabetes, and many more. My private LeadPages funnel blueprint that I personally use to generate multiple 6-figure campaigns, email marketing sequences, and follow-up strategies that work extremely well with LeadPages, and additional surprise resources I never publicly mentioned before. These bonuses are completely exclusive and not available anywhere else. So if you want to get LeadPages plus all of those exclusive bonuses I mentioned, simply click the link in the description below or inside of the comment. Choose whatever plan works best for you. They might actually have a trial offer. Sometimes they do a trial, free trial. So I'm not sure when you're watching this video, that might be available for you. And also drop a comment below and let me know, are you team LeadPages or team ClickFunnels in 2026? I read every single comment. Thank you so much for watching this long and detailed comparison. If you found it valuable, please hit that like button, subscribe for more honest software and marketing tool reviews, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos from me. I'll see you in the next one. Take care, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care, and God bless.